another day that we are going to continue with the math lessons. Yesterday we looked at division of fractions by fractions, and today we'll be looking at combined operations on fractions. Welcome. Now, when we talk of combined operations, it means we have more than one operation, and by operations we mean addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. This is what we call operations. So when you have a question that has more than one operation, either you have addition and subtraction, or addition and multiplication, or you have multiplication and division, we refer to that as combined operations. And we have a certain order that we follow when you're dealing with a question that has more than one operation. And that order is BODMAS. And I know you know, we're just reminding ourselves, a bracket of division, multiplication, addition, and then subtraction. So we have this example on the board. Example. We have three examples, and then we're going to look at the first example. 4 and 3 over 5 minus an eighth divided by a quarter. The first thing you do when you're given a mixed fraction is to convert it into improper fraction. 5 times 4 is 20. 20 plus 3, you get 23 over 5. And then minus an eighth, and then divide by a quarter. So following this order of BODMAS, we don't have a bracket. So we go to off. We don't have off. We go to division. So division first. So that we create a bracket now. So we divide an eighth by a quarter first. So which will be an eighth. This becomes times, and then you reciprocate a quarter, 4 over 1. By 4 1, by 4 2. So you get a half. So an eighth divided by a quarter is a half. So rewrite the question. 23 over 5 minus a half. Kindly don't do this mentally or often. You know, write it down, rewrite the question so that you don't miss a step. So now the LCM of 5 and 2 is 10. 10 divided by 5 is 2. 2 times 23 is 46. Take away. 10 divided by 2 is 5. 5 times 1 is 5. 46, take away 5, you get 41 over 10. Then now you divide 41, divide by 10, and you get 4 because of 40 remainder 1. So your answer becomes 4 whole and a 10. 4 whole and a 10. And that is the answer. Let's look at the second example here. The second example, we already have a bracket. So again, but still, let me write the word BODMAS there to guide me. So we are going to start by working out this bracket, which is 4 over 5. Division becomes times, and then reciprocate 3 over 10, which is 10 over 3. Can we cancel? Yes, we can cancel 10 by 5. By 5, 1. By 5, 2. That gives you 4 times 2, 8 over 3. So the whole of that bracket is 8 over 3. So rewrite the question. So you have 8 over 3 divide by 5 times 1 is 5 plus 2, 7 over 5. Of 5 over 14. 5 over 14. So we are done with the bracket. We go to of here we have 7 over 5 of 5 over 14. So you create another bracket like that. So you have 7 over 5 of means times, and then 5 over 14. Remember, you only reciprocate this when that fraction comes after a division sign. That's the only time you reciprocate, when the division sign changes into multiplication sign. Anything else, you don't reciprocate. Then here you can simplify. By 5, 1, by 5, 1. by 7 1 by 7 2. So you have a half. So all this is a half. So you can rewrite your question. So the first bracket is 8 over 3. And then divide by all that we got a half. So which now is 8 over 3, division becomes times, and then reciprocate 2 over 1, which is 16 over 3. Then you divide. 16 divided by 3, you get 5 because of 15, remainder 1. So your answer is 5 whole and a third. That is your answer. Our last example. This one now involves multiplication and of course division. Over means division. So work out the numerator first. A half times, this is 3 times 1 is 3, plus 1, 4 over 3. You can simplify here. By 2 1, by 2 2. So you get 2 third. So the whole of the numerator is 2 third. Let's work out the denominator, which is 2 over 5 times a third, which is 2 over 15. I hope you're not getting disturbed by that aircraft that's flying over us. So this is a 2 over 15. So the numerator is 2 third. Over means divide. Over means divide. The denominator is 2 over 15, which is 2 third, times, this becomes times, reciprocate this, 15 over 2, by 2 1, by 2 1, by 3 1, by 3 5. So your answer is 5 whole. So they are very simple questions when it comes to dealing with the combined operation. So I'll give you more exercises from primary mathematics so that you can gain more practice. Thank you very much.